Well, if you're not happy with your smile, getting it fixed can change your life. All you have to do is ask our next guest about that. Of course, we have Dr. Kevin Gasser of Gasser Dental Implants here with us, as he is quite often. I'm so happy to see you
Glad
again.
to be here.
And today he brought along a very happy patient. I want you to meet Charise. Yes. Charise, thank you for coming on Sonoran Living today.
Thank you for having me.
You have such a great story. I want to start with that because you had really ignored your teeth for a long time because you didn't like them.
I didn't like them, and so it was easy to neglect them, but that got me into more trouble. It just exacerbated issues, and all of a sudden I was in a situation where they're not just unattractive, they are unhealthy.
Yeah, yeah, you became to experience some of those health problems because of that. Now, I know you had shared with me earlier that your husband passed away, and I'm so sorry for your loss. But as a result of that, he had really wanted you at some point to take care of your teeth. And you actually went to a different dentist first, didn't you?
I did. I researched the all-on-4 and sought out the services of another dentist whose name was on the door but didn't do the surgery. Not that that's a condemnation, but because I had some trepidations and worries, and when I asked if I could meet the surgeon and was told, if you want to, that was just enough for me to say, you know what, I'm not ready to do this. I'm going to postpone it. I fully intended to go back, but then found Dr. Gasser, and I attribute that to my hubby, to kind of guiding me in the right direction.
Yeah. So you went to, she attended one of your seminars, Dr. Gasser, and I'm sure she had lots of questions at that point. Do you remember her being there at your seminar?
Oh yeah, she has such a brilliant personality. It's hard to miss her, actually.
Yes. So you actually got to meet the surgeon who was going to do the procedure.
Exactly.
And you chose to select Dr. Gasser.
Yes, attending the seminar, he answered a lot of questions for me. When I approached the venue and he held out his hand to welcome me, I was meeting the surgeon.
Yes.
I was meeting the person who would put together the plan from A to Z.
Yes.
And so, yes.
You made a good decision. I want to take a look at a before picture, if you will, of Charise. And tell me, when you see that picture, how does that make you feel?
I don't even recognize that person anymore. I mean, it's just hard to believe that that was what I was living with. But I'm actually really happy to show that picture because I think people need to see what can be done.
Well, you know what? We're going to show them exactly what can be done. I want you to look at that. Oh, look at that smile right there. Now when you see that picture, Charise, look at that smile.
Yeah.
What do you see now? What do you feel?
What I feel is, I make a joke that it doesn't matter what I'm wearing, I'm dressed to go. This is my wardrobe.
you're all gussied up.
Yes,
and
I'm good to go. But
Yeah.
I actually feel credible. I think that's the main thing, is that, you know, we're our own worst critics when we go out in the world. I'm sure people weren't necessarily judging me, but I felt like I wasn't taken seriously, and so that's the biggest takeaway.
And I'm sure, Dr. Gasser, you hear that all the time from your patients. You literally do change lives.
And that's really the best part. People really don't necessarily want dental implants. It's a means to an end. And what it does is it gives people confidence and helps improve their health, and that transforms their lives, and that's the best part.
Absolutely.
That's the best part.
And you had remembered your husband had dentures, and he didn't like him, and you remembered that.
I remembered that.
So this treatment was right for Charise.
That's right, and that's a key point as well. Everybody's situation is different, and people deserve customized options that fit into their life.
Would you recommend Dr. Gasser?
Absolutely, yes.
Hands
There's
down.
no reason not to see him, to see what the options are.
Charise, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your story. I want to give you a special offer that Dr. Gasser brought along with him. If you call now and you mention Sonoran Living, here's what you're going to get: a free ICAT scan and a no obligation consultation. That is a $475 value right there. Plus, the first 10 callers who call in will get $500 off their complete smile makeover. Gasser Dental Implants is located at 17220 North Boswell Boulevard, Suite 200 West in Sun City. The phone number is 623-972-8217, or visit the website drgasser.com.